Bahar makes beaded necklaces to sell at the craft fair. She uses a ratio of 5:3 for blue beads and black beads. So we know that blue to black, or rather blue to black, is a ratio of 5:3. And it's respectively. So blue will come first, black will come next. If she has 400 blue beads and 300 black beads, and each necklace uses 40 total beads, so she's got 400 blue and 300 black beads, how many necklaces can she make? So over here, we basically have to figure out what's going to be our limiting quantity. And in order to do that, we can do it pretty straightforward. Let's start with one at a time. So we know that let's start with blue here. And we'll do the same thing with black over here. Okay, so we know blue for every 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3, that's the total number of beads. That's the total ratio of the beads. Blue is going to have 5. So 5 total out of 5 plus 3, 8. So out of 8 beads in the necklace, 5 of them will be blue. And for black, it'll be the other way. So it'll be 3 black out of a total of 5 plus 3 beads right over here. And in this case, we need to figure out the ratios, right? And then compare them to what's in the actual necklace. So over here, blue is in a ratio of 5 to 8, and black is in a ratio of 3 to 8. So when you compare this to the actual necklace, which is out of 40, you'll get some number out of 40, and we'll compare this out of 40 as well, right? So 5 out of every 8 beads is blue. So how many out of the total 40 beads in a necklace is going to be blue? And in this case, we can cross multiply. So 5 times 40 is equal to 8x. And 40 times 5 is equal to 200, equals 8x. And therefore, we know that x is going to be equal to 25. So this equals 25. All right, so 25 out of 40. And similarly, we'll do the exact same thing here. In this case, we will cross multiply, and we'll do 3 times 40 is equal to 8x. And this is going to be 120 equals 8x. And therefore, we will get x is equal to 15. Just like that. So we know that this is going to be in a ratio of 15 to 40. So out of 40 beads in one necklace, so one necklace, right, in one necklace, out of 40 beads, you have 25 blue and 15 black. Just like that. Okay, excellent. So now we just need to figure out what is our limiting quantity, whether it's blue or whether it's black. So we know that we have 400 blue beads. So we have a total of 400 blue beads. And we know, let's do blue beads. And we have to divide that by the number of blue beads in a necklace. So 25 blue beads per necklace. And that's going to give us 16 necklaces. So we have enough blue beads to make 16 necklaces. And let's see how many black beads we have. So we know that we have a total of 300 black beads. And that's going to be divided by 15 black beads per necklace. And that's going to give us a total of 20 necklaces. So we can make 16 necklaces using all the blue beads up, and we can make 20 necklaces using all the black beads up. Unfortunately, we're going to run out of the blue beads before we even get a chance to finish the rest of these. So our limiting quantity in this case is going to be the blue beads. So we can only make as many necklaces as the minimum number required to make a full necklace. So in this case, 16 is our limiting quantity. Therefore, blue beads is going to be our limiting quantity. So the answer is 16. We can only make 16 necklaces because when we make 16 necklaces, we're going to completely run out of the blue beads. So our answer is going to be B for Batman.